Comparing Microsoft 365 Copilot to other AI assistants, Microsoft 365 Copilot is a powerful AI assistant. But how does it stack up against other popular options? This video dives deep into the pros and cons of each, helping you decide which AI assistant is right for you. Introducing Microsoft 365 Copilot. Start by introducing Microsoft 365 Copilot as the newest AI assistant for productivity. Explain its integration into Microsoft's suite of apps, such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Highlight the potential benefits of using Copilot for tasks like writing emails, creating presentations, and analyzing data. Copilot versus other AI assistants. Compare and contrast Copilot with other popular AI assistants like ChatGPT, Bard, and Grammarly. Discuss the unique strengths and weaknesses of each tool, focusing on features, functionality, and user experience. Emphasize how Copilot's integration with Microsoft's apps gives it an edge in certain areas, like productivity and workflow. Copilot's capabilities. Showcase Copilot's capabilities in specific tasks like generating text, summarizing documents, translating languages, and writing code. Use real-world examples to demonstrate its effectiveness and show how it can improve user efficiency. Highlight potential use cases for businesses and individuals, limitations and considerations. Address the potential limitations of Copilot, such as accuracy, bias, and dependence on Microsoft's ecosystem. Discuss the ethical considerations surrounding AI assistants, including data privacy and potential job displacement. Offer tips and best practices for using Copilot responsibly and effectively. Final thoughts and call to action. Summarize the key takeaways of the video and reiterate the pros and cons of using Microsoft 365 Copilot. Encourage viewers to try Copilot for themselves and explore its potential benefits. Provide links to relevant resources and information for further exploration and learning. Thank you.